ATM now. Yeah. Yep, that's the one. I think that way. Bungo, bungo. Right?
Yeah.
That's the one?
Deep well right here. It looks private now.
But this is different. Oh yeah, before we paid entrance also. Smile! Go! 1. Keep going. 2. Keep going. 3. Ah, that was so close. Keep going.
1. 1.
Yeah.
Alright, start again.
Do it again.
Ready?
1.
1.
1. 1.
1.
Ah, you did it. Kau ira pada salvavida. Sa ka grade 1. Uy. Legal ka te? Wait, magpapakot na ba Serena? Record ta mo te? Record na, luto na. Ah, doon nga na tayo kay kuruyo ni ako. Adbok. Kadalag tao. Ako na nung kaya to. Diri ra ko te? Diri ra ko na may wallet si kuya ba? Diri ra ko kay si may wallet si kuya ba? Alay ko bin si Trina asa na siya? Pwede ka magbikini? Kinsa? Parang nadala ang isip ka. Ipagbikini ka. I-flex na yun. May kagid nga ako. Oh yeah, later. Wala pang funny. Maya na. Oh, abi na magkawas ka. Bakit man? Uy, na. Nabasa na nga akong habol. We are at the snorkeling beach today to let loose, to enjoy the day. I have my friend here. Bakit? Sulus?
Huh?
Di ba extra small yan?
Oo, pero parang hindi
Yung
ko
design niya.
Hindi naman, siguro hindi ko lang naayos yung sa likod.
Ah, okay.
Ayusin natin.
Go, ayusin mo.
Parang
Ayusin mo.
ayusin mo.
Baka ma-worse mo yan. That's Apu Island right there.
Nakapunta
Is
ka
it
na
na?
ba doon?
No. Have you?
Night lang.
Sobrang time.
Huwag masyadong mapapakaangat mo, Miss Jen. Hindi ko alam.
Na, losing na siya. Ipa-down pa. Ihigot mo na lang sa hawa.
Wag, give me.
Sige nga.
Hoy, wala bang lock?
Ang daming fish.
I know.
Ayan, oh.
Bulag ka ba? A tiny fish. Hoy, ito Michelle. Asa ka galantaw? Tura dito.
Yawa.
Nawa, oh.
Hindi, mag-sunglass daw ko. You should cover siya.
Hindi nga eh. Kaya nga makita ko kasi nagano ako. Deep in there.
Hindi ko pwede dihati kay di ko kakinto taas ra.
Oo. Yeah. Irina is taller, that's why. You're taller.
Talaga siya.
Ano mo, like,
Wala
sobrang
nga
exact
siyang
ba? Wala siyang clip. See, they adjust it. Where you going?
Where can I go?
Ay, no. Get over here because I can't see shit. Get over here, I can't fly.
Yati.
Baka iba yung masisig na itong mga divers.
Ano na di kinagirap? Because I can see.
Training na. Uy, may nakita ako sa ano, sa bench, violet. Ay, buti na lang hindi kinabi nila ng sumol doon.
Kaya nga, pero may, si Brian, nag-drop lang.
Hindi ako kasi nandun sa Brian, kaya ayoko pumunta dito kanina. Kasi naka-swimsuit ako.
Who cares? It's a place where you have to wear swimsuit.
Tell Michelle about that.
Yeah. Where your swimsuit? Ano siya?
Diba? Bikini mo naka-shirt yun eh.
Yeah, extra small siya. What do you think? Extra small? No. Extra small din.
Ang okay nyo, mas malaki katawan ni Michelle sa akin.
Extra small. Oh, no. Oo nga, pero ano ka eh, mas taller.
Taller naman.
Yeah. Wow, I like the red.
Sila may pang clothing on.
Buti na takot magsain kayo agad, Deb. Kasi,
Si Michelle.
ano yun? Ano salin? Ano yun? Starfish?
Na.
Kasi naglabas ako ng ano, tawag dito, pork na maliliit. Tapos may ano doon, yung liver. Sabi ko, mga around 10 o'clock yun. Sabi ko, ibababad ko yung ano para ma-defrost ka agad. Tapos sakto si Carissa pa uwi. Sabi ko, pwede bang dumaan ka sa market, bumili ka ng cabbage at saka ano.
Oo, pero di niya nagawa.
Binili naman niya. Ang nakalimutan ko is yung carrot. Eh, di ba yun yung pagpakulay sa
Yeah. And it smells good too.
Oo, sabi ko, 10:30 siguro hindi na aabot kasi paalis na eh, magluluto pa, di ba? So, sabi ko, ay, wag na.
Wag gusto ko tayo stop.
Uy, maraming maliit. Day, oh! Ayan, oh! Dagan ka ayo.
Sakto yung meron na ato.
Yeah, see?
Sakto na pangbuli na, diba?
There's a lot of fishes over here, but Michelle have hard time to see it.
Nagkuha. Suka.
Yata yung sinasabi nilang tugnos eh.
Oh, tugnos yan. Oh, it's so nice if you have snorkel. Come here. You want towel? It's over there.
Hapdosas tinawang, uy.
Oh, okay, rejuvenate man ka. Ayan. Rejuvenating.
Ay, oo.
Mahapdi. Yeah. It's so nice today. Super sunny, super breezy.
Parang hinahanap
Yeah,
ko
nga.
lang ng storm kanina.
Welcome to my vlog though. Welcome to my vlog. Yeah, Brian said I think it's gonna rain. No, it's like it's okay if it's gonna rain. We're gonna be wet anyway.
Saan kayo?
Negros.
Ano kayo, ma?
Siya lang. Nag-adjust lang kami.
Pero taga Dumaguete, no? Taga Dumaguete kayo, no?
Oo.
Pag Dumaguete ako.
Kaya nag-ask ko, nag-yes,
Nag-yes. This way, Michelle. Show them that you can swim.
No, I can't.
Swim.
I don't like it when I said I'm Tagalog. I always said I'm Waray.
Because you are. Nag-adjust lang kami, kuya. Para magkaintindihan.
Magkakaintindihan pag mag-ano ako.
Yeah, waray. Tapos magbisaya kami. Good luck.
Ay, entrance dito.
Wala. Mga grand ra og
Mas
table and
nice diri
chairs.
kay dito dapat to asa.
Dito wala entrance po dahil pero
Dito,
naay
mahal kate.
dito over there.
700.
Oh my god. It's ridiculous.
Ilang gipatas?
In Bakong, 700 daw.
Kano yung rent mo, babe?
Here, it's 200 lang.
Tapos 500 niya side kay lugar.
Yeah. In Bakong, yung Bakong nga, yung
Were we drinking?
yeah.
Ano man?
Where we drink? Oh yeah.
Mag-rent ka ng
Nung sa mga cottage doon.
yeah.
It's so expensive, but you can
Parang nakakatakot lumangoy doon, no?
yeah.
Hindi mo alam underneath, unlike
Yeah.
dito, di ba?
Yeah.
Matanda, no? Age doesn't matter. Once you're in love, you're in love. So be careful. Once you fall, you fall.
Yeah, I'm so dark, huh?
Uy,
Watch.
kita na yung sunlight mo. But alam mo ba, umuuso kaya yan?
Di ba?
Di ba umuuso yung sa TikTok? Ako talaga mo. Siguro mga second year high school na rin ako. I'm not expecting that.
Dini ba doon sa namte?
Ako before parang
Ayoko magka-picture. Yung dinuduan ako na, palagi kong parang I wanna punch it.
yung parang
talaga.
yung parang natatakot ka na shit, like I'll kaba or something.
No, I don't want it. Oo nga. Yeah, I don't want it to go.
Zen, you're not swimming?
Ay, oo. Kuya. Michelle misses her mom. We are having this. Just one.
I think you left your slippers.
I think they will be back.
Oo, yung slip.
Oh yeah, slippers.
Nasa yung face mo.
He's coming back. I think he's getting them.
You guys want ice cube? I mean, some.
Hirap yun.
Ay, glass. Hey, Michelle. Kilala ba natin to? We know that. Hello.
She's not from here.
Would
You
you
want
like
to
to
look
come
single?
join with
Yeah.
us?
Do you want cup? So you
No,
can.
I'll drink on the
I mean, I can't do that. Disgusting.
One more.
Nas Elias yun.
Sino pa ba? May isa pa eh. Nagla-vlog sila si...
You have to get the sand wet, Zane, over there. Look. Zane, she's trying to show you.
I don't even know how.
Mabasa man siya, te.
Bury himself.
And then you put like...
Oh.
It's probably too much water. And then you build the castle.
Yeah, I didn't even know. Ooh.
And then you make a castle.
Make it bigger.
Let me just cover it up. Magikuan sa ito.
You have to carve it. Then you can fit in there. Carve for yourself.
You do it now. You put sand. No.
Yeah, they cleaned it, man.